In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to block third-party cookies during incognito mode. The first thing you do is open up your Chrome browser, click on it with the top right corner over here, click on settings, and then click on privacy and security, this is third option under Chrome settings. And as you can see, third-party cookies, which is third option here under privacy and security, click on it. Right now we allow third-party cookies. Now I want to block it incognito mode, so we choose the second one. Now when we choose this, it means that sites can use cookies. Sites which use cookies to improve the browsing experience and to keep you signing will not be able to do it in incognito mode. They will use it in normal mode, but only in incognito mode. The sites can't use the cookies to see your browser activity across sites, even related sites. The browser activity isn't used for things like personalizing ad features on some sites may not also work. So, if you choose this option, it will allow third-party cookies of every other mode, but once you go into incognito mode, browse in incognito mode, it will block the third-party cookies. It's as simple as that. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.